Hi, I'm Carol Thompson with Keller Williams Lifestyles Realty. I'm back in Port Stanley with another great listing. Today I'm at 265 Colborne Street, and there's a few things on the outside of the house that I want to point out. Some great features are there's a double car laneway here, a pool in the backyard, lots of room to park up your boat, and the reason why that's so great is because the location is right across the street from the marina. So it's really nice to enjoy watching the boats come and go. And one more great feature, there's also a single car laneway with a single car garage on the other side. Lots to offer. So let's go inside and see all the great features in there. So when you come into the front door, it's a beautiful foyer here. And we enter into the front living room. And the great things that I like about this space is that you've got a beautiful picture window and it overlooks the marina again. And another great feature is this fireplace, so it's great for those cool, cozy nights. And we lead over into here, into our open concept with the dining and kitchen area. Lots of space for an oversized dining table, loads of cupboard space, and the stainless steel appliances can stay with the home. Then we lead over into here, and you've got your outside entry from your double laneway. And a great thing that I like about this, stained glass window. Behind this door, we've got our double bathroom, two-piece bathroom. And then over here, we've got your family room. And it's a really great space out here. You can sit and watch the kids in the pool. You've got a composite deck and lots of seating area outside. So now let's wander up and look at the bedrooms. Okay, we come up into the upper level with all the bedrooms. So you've got one bedroom over here with a marina view out the window. Beside it, we've got another bedroom with a marina view as well. Then you go across the hall into the third bedroom, and this has a view of the backyard and pool. Then it leads into a lovely bathroom with a his and her vanity. So that's the second floor. So now I want to take you downstairs and we're going to go look at the in-law suite. So the great thing about the in-law suite is that you have your separate entrance. So you've got your single laneway, single garage, come through this door, down the stairs, and you enter into your own in-law suite. So you've got your open concept down here with your living space, nice kitchen. Appliances can stay with the home. You've got one bedroom on this side. Then you can go down this nice hallway, washer dryer, and it leads down into the master bedroom. With an updated bathroom across the hallway. So that concludes my tour at 265 Colborne Street. If you're interested in this listing, please give me a call. I'm Carol Thompson with Keller Williams Lifestyles Realty, and I can be reached on my cell at 519-857-9989. Come live in Port.